Hello there, welcome to Creative Lesson Tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to stop Windows Automatic Update permanently. Sometimes Windows Update is necessary to stay up to date. But if the updates get day after day continuously, it may slow down low configure computer. So, there has solution to avoid automatic update. At the beginning, press the Windows key, then type Services. Now open Service Application. After open the application, keep scrolling and find Windows Update. Now double-click on Windows Update. From Startup menu select Disable, then click to stop, then Apply. Please wait for a while to complete the process. It's done. Now go to Settings and check for Windows Update. An error message will display during the Windows Update, and it will not take any update until you start Windows Update. Thanks for watching.